Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true icon reimagined for the modern era, the legendary 1964 Porsche 911. But this isn't just a vintage ride, this is a 2025 Restomod masterpiece, finished in a blazing red that turns heads and melts hearts. Whether you're a Porsche purist or a fan of cutting-edge retro engineering, you're going to want to stick around for this deep dive. Let's get into it. From the moment you lay eyes on this car, you're hit with that unmistakable silhouette. The long hood, the round headlights, and the signature sloped rear, it's all classic 911. But on this 2025 Restomod, everything's been sharpened and polished to perfection. The red paint is rich and deep, with a high-gloss finish that looks like molten candy under sunlight. You'll notice the chrome accents have been subtly modernized, thinner, sleeker, but still respectful to the original aesthetic. The body panels are tighter, thanks to modern manufacturing tolerances. LED headlights are seamlessly integrated into the classic round housings, giving you both style and functionality. And those wheels? Period correct in design, but constructed from lightweight alloys that reduce unsprung weight and boost performance. The stance of the car is slightly lower than the original 64, with updated suspension giving it a meaner, more planted look. Around back, the iconic ducktail spoiler adds a touch of aggression, while the twin exhausts sing a song of air-cooled history with modern muscle. Step inside, and the love story continues. The cabin pays homage to the 60s, but with 2025 flair. You've got that beautiful, thin-rimmed steering wheel, now crafted from a carbon fiber core wrapped in wood and leather. The dashboard retains its original layout, but behind the vintage dials are digital cores providing modern readouts with a retro skin. Seats are a perfect blend of sport and comfort, classic bucket style with tartan inserts and deep bolstering. Heated and ventilated, of course. The materials used throughout the cabin are top-tier, hand-stitched leather, brushed aluminum, and subtle carbon fiber touches where appropriate. Infotainment is cleverly hidden, a retractable screen that slides out from the center console when needed, supporting wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and a bespoke Porsche app suite. Even the HVAC controls look like they came out of a time machine, but the system is modern-day efficient. Now let's talk heart and soul, the engine. The original Flat 6 is reborn here as a 3.8-liter naturally aspirated boxer engine, rebuilt from the ground up with modern internals. It pumps out around 400 horsepower and revs with the urgency of a race car. Mated to a slick 6-speed manual gearbox, the drive is pure and analog, just the way it should be. 0 to 60 comes in just under 4 seconds, which is staggering considering the vintage look. The chassis is updated with lightweight materials, and the suspension is fully independent with adaptive damping, letting you switch from Sunday cruiser to backroad bruiser at the touch of a button. Brakes are carbon ceramic, providing immense stopping power without fade. And let's not forget the sound, that iconic air-cooled wail has been tuned to perfection. It roars, it growls, and it screams in all the right ways. All this magic doesn't come cheap. A full Restomod like this, depending on the shop, spec, and rarity of the donor car, can easily run upwards of $500,000. Some builds push past $700,000 if they include bespoke customization, rare parts, or limited production touches. But you're not just paying for a car, you're buying an experience, a piece of history reborn with today's technology. It's a rolling sculpture, a driver's dream, and a collector's crown jewel all in one. So there you have it, the 1964 Porsche 911 reimagined for 2025. It's vintage soul wrapped in modern engineering, and it's hard not to fall in love. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is this the perfect blend of old and new, or would you prefer an untouched classic? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep car reviews, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.